Hey guys, I'm Shanna with lifefullandfrugal.com, and I'm so excited to share with y'all my latest DIY project. For those of you who are new to our channel, Lifeful and Frugal is a lifestyle blog in which three sisters share different ways to live fully and abundantly on less. So this project started several weeks ago when my husband and I rearranged our living room. Our living room has really tall ceilings, and at the highest peak it is 24 feet up. And so it has been a challenge for me over the years to figure out how to decorate this room on such a large scale. As we rearranged the furniture, my idea was I needed something tall to take up this space and kind of balance the scale of the room. And so I thought this is a great place for a china cabinet. I started looking on Facebook Marketplace for the perfect china cabinet. I just happened to come across one that fit the dimensions and fit the height, and so I went and got this china cabinet, and there were three things that I really wanted to update to make this cabinet work in this room. First was obviously a coat of white paint. I think that it covers a world of sins and it just gives everything a fresh look. The second thing was I really wanted to replace the glass shelves. So we were able to replace the shelves with 1x10s, and I just painted them out the same white as the rest of the cabinet. And then the third thing that I really wanted to change and update, which actually really dated the piece the most, was the hardware. The drawer pulls on this cabinet were very much circa 1980s. I was able to go to Lowe's and purchase some really beautiful brass hardware to replace the old dated hardware. I feel like it really gave it a fresh new look. Thank you so much for checking out our latest DIY project. I hope this inspires you to take a look at your space and your home and just think about how you can make your home beautiful, and do it with really affordable items from flea markets and secondhand Craigslist, and just to be able to see the potential. So if you're new to our channel, we would love to invite you to subscribe. You can find us at lifefullandfrugal.com, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day.